Presenting the Jabra Elite 3 earbuds. It is available in lilac, in light beige, in dark grey, in navy color variants. It has dimensions 2.7 into 2 into 2.01 centimeters and weighs 136 grams. The wireless earphones are ergonomically designed and feature 6mm speakers with rich, punchy bass and sound customization options. With mono mode, either earbuds can be used while the other charges. The Elite 3 offers unique noise isolation, providing on-demand external noise pickup with HearThrough technology. The devices are compatible with Androids and USB. It comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries with a 7-hour battery time in the buds on a single charge and extends up to 28 hours with the case. The compact earbuds with a sleek charging case come with 4 microphones for impeccable call quality, ensuring reliable voice pickup. It features voice assistants like Alexa built-in, one-touch Spotify playback and Google Fast Pair. It features rainproof IP55 rated durability.